Hi, welcome to the demo of Advanced Diamond and Gemstone configuration for the live gold price editor application. In our last video, we had seen how to configure a product. In that video, we had provided diamond and gemstone prices manually. But now, we'll see how to calculate the diamond and gemstone price based on the pricing slabs. This feature is available on the advanced plan. Go to settings page. You will see Diamond and Gemstone Settings section. Select Enable Advanced Configuration and click Update. Now go to Dashboard. You will see a new Stone Pricing Slab section. The application will generate a sample pricing slab for your reference. You may delete the sample later. Click on three dots and select Create New. Choose the pricing ID of your choice. For diamond, you may provide the pricing ID based on the clarity. For example, BBS1. For gemstone, you may provide the pricing ID based on the gemstone type. For example, ruby, emerald. You can create any number of slabs you require for that pricing ID. Enter the slab title of your choice. Now, enter from weight to weight and price per carat for the particular slab. Now, click on Add a new slab record to add a new slab. Let me add all the other slabs. All the slabs for the pricing ID is added. Now click on Submit. Your new pricing ID will be ready to use. Similarly, I have added pricing slabs for ruby and emerald. You can edit your slabs by clicking Edit Selected option anytime. Now, to configure stones in your products, go to Products page. Search any product that you want to configure. Click on the variant ID. You will see a new Advanced Stone Configuration section. Click plus button. A new row gets added. Select your stone type and newly created pricing ID from the drop down. Enter total weight of the stones in carat and number of stones. Click tick once done. Based on the slabs, the reference price will be calculated and displayed here. Once all the records are added, click on Submit. You can also use our Excel bulk upload option to configure the products. Now that your products are configured, if you have opted for live price updates, new prices will be updated automatically during the next refresh cycle. Otherwise, go to Dashboard and click Refresh Prices manually. The product prices will get updated. For any queries, please mail to support@droidinfinity.xyz. Thank you.